Golden wings rise from wooden boxes we built, carrying sweetness on the outside, sickness on the inside. They fly into a world that never asked for our hands, yet pays the price for every choice we make. Honeybees drift through the morning light, soft bodies humming with a hidden ache. They land on petals like innocent messengers, leaving viruses in every step they take. Wildbees hover in untouched corners, guardians of balance, quiet and small. But every flower now holds a silent threat, an unseen sickness waiting to fall. Meet on a blossom's face, one returning home, one passing through. But the pollen carries a stranger's breath, a sickness neither of them ever knew. When honeybees infect wild bees, thanks to humans, the flowers turn into battlegrounds of air. We move the hives, we spread the swarms, we scattered sickness everywhere. When honeybees infect wild bees, thanks to humans, nature whispers truths we never hear. Balance breaks in silence first, and then the dying becomes clear. Like a shadow on their backs, tiny kings crowned by human need. Viruses drift between petals and dust, turning every bloom into a place to bleed. Wild bees tremble in their hollow nest, wings folding under weight they never chose. They fall like secrets buried in the soil, where nothing pure or ancient grows. But only the ones that made us honey. We save the hives, but never save the wild. We called it nature, but it was industry. We called it balance, but it was profit. And now the sickness speaks for us. Wild bees, thanks to humans, the forest loses voices one by one. The sky grows quiet, the fields grow thin, and the future comes undone. When honeybees infect wild bees, thanks to humans, the truth is carved in every dying wing. Life breaks not by violence, but by the smallest unseen thing. No anger, no blame, no fear, just the end of something ancient that won't return anymore. thanks to human